These are our juniors, our class of 2020 pathways, and you'll see they have a little bit more because they can actually finish a little bit more for the next year. So they're right here on your 11th grade track. And at this point, moving pathways, seniors can't move pathways anymore. They are where they are. They've got to finish it out. The juniors, they really don't have a lot of leeway or movement because they only have one more year, and if they switch pathways, it makes it very difficult to finish another pathway. We have several juniors and seniors that are on several different pathways, so as long as they complete one of those pathways, they're good. A lot of them, you'll find that they'll double up in like business and marketing because they take enough in each one of those classes that they bleed over, and they would be a completer in both business management and marketing. But it only counts one time on Carl Perkins, so as long as they're finishing out one of these, we're golden. But we'd like them to finish both. That would be great if they could do that. So if you can see that what becomes really important in those 11th and 12th grade years is moving into those double blocked classes, moving into those bigger, more intensive classes as well. And then we've got the informatics pathway that's coming up as well. But we also have that one in last year's too. The other addition that we've got going on here would be those TSTC courses for design and multimedia arts and the accounting and the financial services. So those ones they can actually start in 11th grade and finish it out in their 12th grade. So that's why there's a little bit more pathways on this one. As far as everything else, it's pretty much the same as the 2021 graduates as well.